One of the best budget, lightweight, super turbo leaf blower. It runs up to 120 minutes. It charges very fast. It comes with a battery, right? It also tells you the battery percentage, if it's gonna die or not. Has an amazing turbo mode for a boost, which I'm gonna show you guys in a second. But look, super lightweight. It goes up to 160 miles per an hour. 20-volt battery, brushless. And you got a nice spot right here, so you could hang it up anywhere in the garage. It's super lightweight. Also comes with a charger and a battery and everything included. For price and details, check in the description box, and don't forget to click the subscribe button for more upcoming product reviews. Everything straight to Amazon, honest review. Before we start, I just wanted to show you the battery right here. So what do? You just press this, comes out really fast. This is the battery. Press this, tell you how much power is in there. All right, so let's hear how it sounds. Nice. Blow some leaves. Leaves always get stuck in there. All right, so far it's not that bad, but we're gonna test out the turbo in a second. We're gonna test the turbo. Oh damn! Holy smoke! Man, everything definitely louder with the turbo. Wet grass, gone. Freaking powerful, man. Comes on right away. It's very lightweight. One hand, you notice I'm using it. Been about 10 minutes in. I gotta tell you, it's pretty good so far, but I'm gonna let you know something in a second. About 15 minutes into it, and I'm gonna tell you my honest review. It's good for the price. It's a really good quality. It's very lightweight. It's good for smaller area. I do not recommend this for large property or big area. This is for small area. Maybe you could, if you have like a small home, a small backyard, a pool area, a boat, whatever, you patio and walkway, definitely. The turbo is a big plus. It's it's more powerful with the turbo on. The only downfall with the turbo, it's loud. But I wouldn't say extremely loud like the gas type. Gas types are really loud, but this thing with the turbo is loud. I'm gonna show you guys right now. You're gonna hear, right? Ready? This is without the turbo. Without the turbo, it's a regular battery one, decent, not loud at all. But then listen with the turbo. So it's definitely louder with the turbo because I understand more power and stuff like that. So that's why I just want to make sure people know. I don't want anyone to buy it and then be like, well, you know, product zone, it was really loud when I put on the turbo. With the turbo, it's loud, but it's not loud as the gas. Overall, a good quality, and for the price that it comes with a charger and it comes with a battery, I definitely recommend it. For sure, remove your battery, put this to charge, and as soon as it's charged, remove it. Do not overcharge your battery. And then most people will plug it and leave it. I do not recommend to plug it on. You could leave it like that, unplug, and then when you're ready to use, then plug it in. This way your machine will last for a longer period of time. Do not leave it in the rain or snow or anything like that. That's so fast that it could get damaged and like this. Thank you so much for watching Product Zone. Don't forget to check in the description box. All my links will take you to Amazon. I am an Amazon influencer, creator, and everything you think about. Trustworthy website. Subscribe for more upcoming videos. 100% free, honest review. Any question, comment below.